Hey, Chris Espinola here, the Laptop Freedom Warrior and Internet Traffic Junkie. Thanks for checking out this video. We are going to learn about Profits Passport, the Easy1UpLife automated affiliate marketing system that puts $2,000 commissions in your pocket over and over again on complete autopilot. Now, be sure to stay to the end of the video where you're not only going to be able to get bonuses my business partner and teammate is going to be giving you access to, but also the bonuses, the additional bonuses that I have for you for joining my link below and becoming a part of our team.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's David. I'm actually in my kitchen just having my morning espresso, even though it's like past 12 o'clock right now. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you guys some really exciting stuff that's been happening in the group just since the last video that I've sent you. And I'm actually on my cell phone right now. I'm on my mobile and I'm just gonna flip the screen over just so you guys can see exactly what's been happening. And I understand that this might not be a Hollywood production type of a video, but here's the thing, that stuff doesn't matter. You just wanna see, if you're interested in making money online, you wanna see that what I've got for you actually works, right? That's the bottom line. So if you want to make big commissions, let me actually show you what's been happening in the group. Let me flip the screen over here to the Facebook group that we have. And as you can see, this Facebook group says, look, I do the work, you keep all the commissions. And if I scroll down to today, let's take a look. So here's Alan. Alan has just posted an hour ago. As you can see right there, he says, look, thank you, David, for my first sale after one day of this amazing done for you system. Sending love from the Philippines. And Alan made, let's take a look here. He's done $25 as you guys can see right there. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Here's one from a member by the name of Joshua. He was able to do $2,500 as you can see right there. And that came in at 10 a.m. as you can see right there. 2,500 bucks. And basically he was able to do that by leveraging the system that we basically all use. And I'm up, here's by the way another member who just joined, but he's basically still setting up his account. And if you remember from the last video that I've sent you, I'm up 1,644. That's actually up to like 1,900 now. But basically what I want to do is I want to kind of get back to the video here and explain to you exactly how this works. Because if you're looking to make money online, especially if you're looking to make big commissions, like $2,000 commissions, you're going to need to have a few things if you're not using a system. You're going to need to set up different web pages. You're going to need to have a webinar where you explain things to people, tell them, sell them, that type of stuff. You're gonna need to record videos. You're gonna need to send out follow-up emails. You're gonna need to show proof that other people have been making money with it with the same thing. So if you don't want to do any of that, then that's what this system essentially is all about, because there's only 3 steps to the system. Step number 1 is you need to watch the webinar, because that's where I explain exactly how everything works. Like as an example, if you look at however you're making money right now, whether it's a job or a business, before you started making money, you needed some training on how to do it, right? So I want to explain to you exactly how it works on the webinar and show you exactly the mechanics behind how are these $2,000 commissions being made. And by the way, my phone is taking pictures of me because I'm doing the hand thing, see? So first step is get on the webinar. Step number 2 is to set up your system. And that's what I show you how to do on the webinar. And that's very important because there are several income streams that are built into the system where you can earn $2,000 commissions, 100% you get to keep all of that. $300 commissions where again, 100% you get to keep all of that. There's other commissions too, software commissions, traffic commissions. And basically I show you exactly how to get set up right on the webinar. And step number 3 is to start sending traffic to your system. Now, I understand that, look, maybe you're watching this and you've been in part of different programs in the past and you're like, okay, I got everything set up, but I don't know how to get visitors to my affiliate link. That's like literally the number 1 problem that people have in all of online marketing. They don't know to get signed up for the program, that's the easy part. But how do you actually get visitors that actually convert into sales once you've signed up for the program? Well, that's also what I cover on the webinar, and there's two ways to do it. The first way is to do it with completely free traffic, which, by the way, I show you exactly how to do that. And the second way to do it is by using paid traffic. So essentially, it's either you get visitors to your affiliate link or you pay someone to get visitors to your affiliate link. Those are the only two ways, right? And free works just the same as paid. The only difference is free will take you a little bit longer to do because you have to do a few things, click a few buttons, that type of stuff. Or paid will be instant traffic to your affiliate link right away, so you can start flooding your affiliate link with visitors. So what I want to do is I want to show you, once you click below, what's going to happen is if you want to check out the webinar, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Let me show you. So this is the page that you're going to get to. It's going to say, look, if you're not already making $2,000 commissions consistently, you're probably doing it wrong. Let me show you how to drive traffic and also how to make $2,000 cash payments delivered to your door and up to additional $4,248.50 in additional commissions, even as soon as 24 hours from now. It's happened many times where members have joined and literally within hours already started making commissions. So that's what I'm referring to here. So what you're going to want to do is simply enter your email right here. As you can see right there, just put in your email right here. Make sure it's a Gmail and then click continue. And what that's going to do is that's going to take you over to a page where I literally show you exactly like what have other members been able to do with this exact system. And in addition to that, we're going to get on a webinar together. I'm doing multiple webinars per day. And I'm basically going to show you exactly how this works. The 3 steps, right? Step number 1, get on the webinar. Step number 2, set up your income streams. And step number 3, the traffic. Once you got all those 3 in place, like once you've done the first step, watch the webinar, set up your income streams, those 2 are done. The only thing that's left after that is just for you to send traffic. And I've also prepared a special bonus package for you to not only show you how to get traffic, but I'm also helping you to get traffic from my own resources. Like as an example, do you see this video that you're watching right now? It took me time to record this, produce this, upload this to my channel and all that kind of stuff. And this is, by the way, one of the ways that I get traffic. And I understand that, look, you're watching this right now and you're like, David, that's great. Maybe you're comfortable being on camera, but I'm not. Maybe you're new. So I don't want that to be a factor in stopping you. So one of the things that I do as part of my bonus package is I want you to be able to start getting traffic right away to your affiliate link for the system, because that's going to maximize your ability to get commissions as quickly as possible, right? So one of the ways that I help you to do that is I'm actually going to give you my videos, give you the videos to use, the same video that, like example, the video that you're watching right now, you're going to be able to use this video on your social media, and any traffic that comes in from that, you're basically going to be able to keep 100% of that traffic and also keep 100% of whatever commissions come in from that traffic, if any commissions come in. Obviously, I'm not guaranteeing any sales or anything like this, but basically, you're going to want to, let me just touch it so it doesn't time out on me. But you're going to be able to keep 100% of the traffic, even though I'm the one who created the video, and you're going to be able to keep 100% of whatever commissions come in. Any commissions that come in through the system, through the traffic that you got from my video, that's 100% yours to keep. In addition to that, I also give you the ability to be able to give out insane amounts of types of bonuses so people are incentivized to sign up with you and are more inclined to sign up with you, like software and different things like this. And there's also other things in the bonus package, including some traffic on its own. So I even hook you up with some traffic from income stream number 1 once you come in at a certain level, and that level is the $2,000 level. Because what's going to happen is this: if I'm helping you generate and I'm telling and selling and doing all that type of stuff to the visitors that you're bringing, and a $2,000 commission comes in, I want to make sure that you're actually able to earn that, and you're positioned in a way that you can actually get those commissions. You can come in at any level you want, but it's up to you. If you want to earn the most amount of commissions, then you want to come in at the $2,000 level. So what I want you to do right now is just click the link to just below this video. And by the way, if you're watching this on YouTube, I also want to invite you to the next Q&A session that I do, because I'm sure right now You're probably full of questions. How does this work and all that kind of stuff. And once you get on the webinar, the first thing that's going to happen is I'm going to answer a lot of those questions for you. But I also do dedicated Q&A, like questions and answers sessions, and the invite that I send is through this YouTube channel. So what I want you to do is just click the subscribe button, and this way you're going to get notified the next time I do that, if you don't want to miss out on that. So go ahead and do that right now. Again, in this system we focus on big commissions, as you've seen right here. Joshua did $2,000 and it's like 10 a.m. Alan did $25 completely automated. And again, this whole thing is based on me doing the work and you being able to keep whatever commissions come in. So go ahead and click the button below right now. Get yourself onto the webinar. Make sure you watch it. If this is important for you, if you're really looking to make money online and you want to leverage someone else's efforts, someone else's system, someone else's emails, proof, and everything, then click the link below and go get yourself on the webinar so I can show you exactly how this works. And hopefully I'll see your testimonial in the group very, very soon. Until then, bye for now.
Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Make sure you go ahead and click the link below the video. Sign up to your free webinar and get access to your free Profits Passport system that puts $2,000 commissions over and over in your pocket. And once you get started, make sure you send me an email so that I can get you the additional bonuses you deserve.